How to reset your Instagram feed and refresh the content Instagram recommends to you. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to open your settings. Scroll down and find the What You See section. Then, tap Content Preferences. Now, select Reset Suggested Content. Instagram will show you some information about resetting your recommendations.
Tap Next to continue. Then tap Reset Suggested Content again, and confirm by tapping Reset Suggested Content again. That's it. Your suggested content will now be reset, and Instagram will start learning your interests again based on the content you interact with. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.